Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this following tutorial, I'm going to show you the ways to troubleshoot common issues with Shareit. So in order to troubleshoot common issues with Shareit, you have to follow the steps. First of all, make sure that your device has a stable internet connection, as Shareit may require it for certain features. And apart from it, you can also ensure that you're using the latest version of Shareit. You can go to your device's app store and check for the available update for Shareit. So open up your Play Store, and then on the search box you can go ahead and type in Shareit, and here instead of open if you see update, that means you have to update the following application. And apart from it, you can also try closing the Shareit app completely. Sometimes you can also try forcefully closing the app. So for that, you have to long press on the Shareit application. I'm just gonna show you just like this. When the app info page opens up, then you can go to the force stop page, and you can enable it for a couple of seconds, and you can disable it, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. So despite of following all of these issues, sometimes the issue might be on the device itself, so you can try restarting your device, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. However, that's not the case. Then you can also check your permission. If you've not enabled certain features or permission, then it might be one of the reason why you're having some common issues or troubleshooting steps. So these are some of the ways to troubleshoot common issues with Shareit. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.